like it's unsure where to land. At first, it felt simple. Requirement lang, gagawin, ipapasa, tapos na. Just another set of questions about capital punishment. What is your opinion on the death penalty? But then, they start answering. One voice says it's justice, that some crimes are too heavy, too cruel, too unforgivable. You hear the firmness in their words. Para sa akin, tama lang yan, they say. Like there's no space left for doubt. Maybe they're thinking of victims, of pain that never really fades. Another voice hesitates. They say, what if the system is wrong? Paano kung inosente pala? You feel that one stay with you a little longer than the rest. Then someone else speaks, softer this time. They don't talk about criminals. They talk about people. About how taking a life, no matter whose, doesn't really fix anything. Di naman mababalik yung nawala, they say. And somehow, the truth lands quietly, but deeply. And suddenly, your paper doesn't feel like paper anymore. Ang bigat pala, because these aren't just answers. These are fears, beliefs, pieces of people trying to make sense of justice in their own way. Remember one response that stayed with you the most. Someone said that punishment should not only be about ending a life, but about understanding it. Hindi lang dapat parusa, dapat may pag-unawa din. And you realize not one answer sounded the same. Some were strong, some were unsure, some were emotional. Parang buhay lang. You look at your group, at everything you've gathered together, and it hits you. Let's talk about something serious, death penalty.
Yeah, medyo big topic agad.
Pero real talk, something people still argue about hanggang ngayon.
Especially dito sa Philippines, even it's already abolished.
And what makes it harder is, it's not just about law.
It's about values, about faith, about how we see justice.
Kasi when you think about it, death penalty is the most extreme punishment.
Wala nang second chance after that.
No correction, no, oops, mali pala.
Which is scary, especially if the system isn't perfect.
Exactly. That's why we wanted to ask people, what do they actually think?
And a lot of them supported it.
Oo, kung may death penalty, mas nababawasan yung criminals.
Simple logic, takot ang puhunan.
Aduteg butang, biyag tinagasalalay.
If your life is at stake, mapapaisip ka talaga. People just want to feel safe. Hindi lang siya about punishment, it's about protection. They want to believe na may consequence yung matinding crimes.
No pinatay na di asawa, ipapatay ko man.
Ang bigat nun.
Kasi hindi na siya opinion, it's emotion.
Napaisip ako, if it was my family, would I still talk about forgiveness? Or would I want justice agad? So, para sa akin, supporting the death penalty isn't just about being cruel. It's about giving the ultimate value to the life that was taken. Some crimes are just so extreme na ang tanging sapat na kabayaran is the life of the person who committed it. It's the only way to truly say that the victim's life mattered.
Hindi kami sang-ayon, chance na magbago.
Na kahit nagkamali sila, pwede pa rin magbago.
As religious, we are taught to forgive. So if God gives chance, should we also?
In my opinion, it can be seen as both right and wrong, depending on perspective. On one hand, some people believe it delivers justice, especially for serious crimes like murder. It can serve as a punishment, strong punishment, and may discourage others from committing similar crimes.
For me, I still believe justice should be firm. If someone takes a life, dapat may kapalit. Not revenge, but value of life.
But what if the system is wrong?
What if innocent pala?
Wala nang bawian.
That's what scares me the most. Because justice can fail, and when it does, buhay ang kapalit. Naalala ko yung sinabi ni Joker. We live in a society, and sa isang society, mayroon siyang rules. And kapag break mo yung rules, and you commit the gravest of sins, finorfeit mo yung sarili mong life. And continue that. Yung other alternative for death penalty kasi is sabihin natin life in prison. Para sa akin, hindi yun true justice. Nabubuhay pa sila, nakakakain pa sila ng sakto naman through taxpayers' money. And gets ko naman yung POV na kapag pinabuhay mo pa sila, they'll suffer knowing that they did wrong onto others. But for me, death penalty is the ultimate finality.
So as a group, we support the death penalty.
But only for the extreme cases.
Yung talagang sobrang bigat na crimes.
And it must be fair and careful.
Hindi pwedeng basta-basta.
At the end of the day, this isn't just about laws.
It's about people.
About victims.
And even those who make mistakes.
And about us, and how we choose to respond.
So that's that. Death penalty.
Justice.
Mercy.
Or both.
Ikaw, saan ka?